Good evening, everyone. I am R. Goklavani from the Department of Information Technology. Today, I am going to present on the topic classical cryptography techniques. Cryptography is the science of protecting information by converting it into a secret form so that only authorized people can read it. Before modern computer-based encryption was developed, people used classical cryptography techniques to keep messages confidential. Today, I will explain five important classical cryptography techniques: Caesar cipher, Playfair cipher, Hill cipher, Wigner cipher, and Railfen cipher. What are classical cryptography techniques? First, let us understand what classical cryptography is. Classical cryptography refers to the traditional methods of encrypting messages before computers existed. The main aim is to protect information from unauthorized people. In cryptography, the original readable message is called plain text and encrypted unreadable message is called ciphertext. The receiver uses a key or method to convert the ciphertext back into plain text. These techniques are widely used in military communication, government messages. The five main important techniques are Caesar cipher, Playfair cipher, Hill cipher, Wigner cipher, and Railfen cipher. First, the technique is Caesar cipher. It was invented by Julius Caesar to send secret military messages. It is called a substitution cipher because each letter is replaced by another letter. The letters are shifted by a fixed number of positions. In this example, every letter is shifted by 3 positions. So H becomes K, E becomes H, L becomes O, and O becomes R. Therefore, the plain text is hello. The biggest advantages of Caesar cipher is that it is very easy to understand and implement. However, it is not very secure because there are only 25 possible shifts, so an attacker can easily guess the correct one. Next cipher is Playfair cipher. It was developed by Charles Wheatstone. Unlike the Caesar cipher, this method encrypts 2 letters at a time. First, we prepare a 5 cross 5 matrix keyword. Then we divide the plain text into a pair of letters called diagraphs. In this example, the pair I, we locate both letters in the matrix. Since they form the corners of a rectangle, we replace each letter with a letter in the same row but in opposite corner. So H becomes B and I becomes F. Therefore, the cipher text is BF. The Playfair cipher is more secure than Caesar cipher because it encrypts letters pair instead of single letter. Wigner cipher. Hill cipher. The third technique is Hill cipher. It was developed by Lester Hill. This method is different because it uses a mathematics, especially a matrix multiplication, to encrypt messages. First, each letter is converted into a number. For example, H becomes 7 and I becomes 8. These numbers are multiplied using a key matrix. After multiplication, we take the result modulo 26 because there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Finally, the numbers are converted back into letters. In this example, the cipher text is TC. The Hill cipher is stronger than previous method because it encrypts groups of letters together using the mathematical equations. Next cipher is Wigner cipher. The fourth technique is Wigner cipher. This method uses multiple Caesar cipher with the help of a keyboard. Instead of using the same shift for every letter, the shift changes according to the keyword. In this example, the plain text is attack and the keyword is lemon. Each letter of the keyword determines how much the corresponding plain text is shifted. After encryption, the ciphertext becomes LXFOPB. Since different letters use different shifts, the Wigner cipher is much more stronger than before two ciphers. The last cipher is Railfen cipher. The last technique is a Railfen cipher. It is a transposition cipher. Unlike a substitution cipher, it does not replace letters. The plain text is written in a zigzag pattern across 2 or more rows called rails. In this example, the plain text hello world and the number of rails is 2. After writing the letters in zigzag pattern, we read each row one after another. The cipher text becomes H L O O L E L W or V. This method is simple and easy to use, but it's not very secure because the original letter remains the same and only the positions are changed. To conclude, classical cryptography techniques are the foundation of modern cryptography. They introduce the basics and they are still very important today. Among these techniques, Caesar cipher is the simplest, Playfair cipher encrypts pairs of letters, Hill cipher uses matrix multiplication, Wigner cipher uses a key with multiple shifts, and Railfen cipher rearranges the letter in zigzag pattern.